In this video, we'll walk you through how to enter recovery mode on your Honeywell device and perform a factory reset. This process is useful if you're troubleshooting or preparing the device for a fresh start. The steps to reset any Mobility Edge device CT60 or CT45 through the settings menu are slightly different depending on the Android version running on the device as follows. Android 13 settings menu option. First, let's just power off the device. Press and hold the power button. When the power menu appears, release the button and tap power off. Confirm by selecting OK when prompted with "Your phone will shut down." Wait until the device is completely powered off. To get into recovery mode, press and hold power button plus volume down at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the Honeywell logo appears on the screen. Once you're in recovery mode, you'll see a list of options. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to scroll through the menu options. Use the power button to select an option. The timing of the key presses is very precise. If the device boots up normally instead of entering recovery mode, simply repeat the steps above. Thank you for watching.